Everyone in the tech bubble was absolutely convinced that artificial intelligence chatbots would be the total death of traditional mobile apps. But instead of an app apocalypse, we are witnessing an unprecedented explosion of new software hitting the market. The App Store is booming again, and AI might actually be the fuel driving the entire fire. According to a fresh analysis from the market intelligence provider AppFigures, the worldwide app releases in the first quarter of 2026 skyrocketed by 60% year-over-year across both the Apple App Store and Google Play. And if you zoom in strictly on the iOS App Store, that number jumps to a staggering 80% increase. April 2026 is looking even crazier, with total app releases up 104% globally compared to the same time last year, and up 89% on Apple's platform alone. Apple's senior vice president of worldwide marketing, Greg Joswiak, even joked in a recent interview that the rumors of the App Store's death in the AI age may have been greatly exaggerated. For months, we have been hearing theories from industry insiders like Nothing CEO Carl Pyle, who is actively trying to build a smartphone designed specifically for a post-app era. We have seen reports about ambient computing smart glasses and AI hardware devices from people like Jony Ive that supposedly threaten the smartphone's dominance. But what everyone seemed to miss is that AI fundamentally lowers the barrier to entry for software creation. We are entering a golden age for creators who have brilliant ideas, but previously lacked the hardcore technical coding skills to actually build mobile software. Tools like Claude Code and Replit are democratizing app development, making it incredibly easy for almost anyone to turn an idea into a functional application. When we look at the data, mobile games are still dominating the charts, but we are seeing massive surges in productivity apps, utilities, lifestyle apps, and health and fitness applications. It genuinely feels like we have crossed a tipping point where AI usability is allowing people to just speak their apps into existence through a process some are calling vibe coding. But this massive flood of new software is not without its serious dark sides. Apple is struggling to keep up with the sheer volume of submissions, and some nasty things are slipping through the cracks. Just this week, they had to yank a rewards app called Free Cash for rule violations after it sat in the top 5 charts for months. Even worse, they were caught off guard by a malicious clone of the Ledger Live crypto app that managed to drain $9.5 million from victims' accounts. Apple is fighting a war on spam, removing 17,000 apps for bait and switch violations in 2024 and rejecting 320,000 spam submissions. They also blocked 37,000 potentially fraudulent apps. But as AI makes it easier to build good apps, it also makes it trivially easy for bad actors to mass-produce scams. The call for a dedicated App Store Bunko Squad is growing louder because managing this new AI-driven app boom is going to require an entirely new level of moderation.